Alright, so a little bit of a trailer update. It's about what I've been working on. Got my new proportioner here. So got that, installed that, changed a few things on that. Got a nice little line out there, sealed it up nice. So we're all sealed up tight. Going to my hose reel. Then I got two 12-volt pumps. And then I did 2 different soap tanks, and then I have an option for a third. So I built this little soap manifold here. So I got my house wash surfactant, my roof, and then I got the stinger line. And all those are on a 1/2-inch compact George Fisher Viton valve. And then here I built like a little deal for my rinse. So I got my water on, SH on. So little selector, and that's all running to my proportioner. And then I got my little light switch here, little carbon fiber switch, so I can be hooked up to the lights and be able to see when I'm working in here. So that's what I've been working on. And I got that plugged in. Then I just did a little auxiliary plug in there, so I can have that. I still got to fix this line here for my water feed, but yeah, not bad. Some small things I'm kind of messing around with here. There's light strips down the side. Want to build another bracket for one of my carbon fiber poles, and then I want to do something with my DI so I can run like 3 poles all at once. So little flush valve. Oh, that's open. I know it's open when it's out. So now it's running to that 8-gallon. And then I want to do some different lines on these guys here, and something different with that little gas tank there. So that's what I've been messing around with. Here's my whip line so I can fill that pail or whatever else I want. And I still have to put a line on there. I'm thinking I'm going to put a 1/2-inch line on there with a quick connect. That way I can run like a little PVC and go into like a little 5-gallon bucket or whatever soap or solution I want to suck into the proportioner. I can, and then I can meter it. So that's what I'm busy with. Getting it buttoned up here and on to the next one. Next project. So hopefully you guys are having a good weekend. I got like another little port here before I go. So when I'm plugged in, I got, you know, a space heater when it gets cold. So kind of slick. Got to put everything back and finish some things up. So